We are under the Eiffel Tower. Alright y'all, so we finally made it to the Eiffel Tower. I have to yell because all these cars are loud. Get here, baby. It's actually a lot colder now. So we didn't get to go to Mona Lisa because they closed at 6 and we just got here at 5:30. But we're gonna catch the Eiffel Tower when it lights up and just be around it and take some pictures. Because parking out here is actually really hard. They're like hard. Yeah, you have to park on the side. Or like anywhere, but they have parking meters and you have to pay for how long you stay, so you're basically timed for everything you do. So these are a lot of the buildings and the Eiffel Tower's right there. I don't know if I can zoom in. It's really cool. It's like unique. It's crazy how they made that. But I wish it was a lot clearer outside, the sun. But hey, we got lemons, they make lemonade. Yeah. Look at baby.
I'm really cold.
Yeah.
My legs are gonna fall off.
So we're gonna walk over there.
Temperature dropped, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It is not as cold as
And yeah, when we get there we'll let you know. Yo guys, so we finally reached.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Oh what? Look at that. Fire. Fire. We could get a little closer and take a picture. Man, this is crazy. Guys, we made it.
I did not know what to see.
We're gonna try and go up the Eiffel Tower. Let's see. I think the entrance is on this side. You see the arrows?
Oh my God.
We got in. Barely. I'm playing. But hey. Wow. We are under the Eiffel Tower. Okay. Wow, y'all. So apparently, like when you're below 25,
Yeah.
we've been seeing a rhythm. If you're below 25, you get a discount. But there's some places if you're EU, like you live in Germany live in the Europe with an ID, a European ID, you get in free. But we got a discount on this because we're below 26 years of age and we got in for 17 euros. Instead, what I seen online was like 80, 100 bucks. So I recommend just coming to places and buying the tickets. Yeah. Hey, we're waiting on the elevator.
Dang, how did they build an elevator?
Huh?
It's something so old.
It's a sideways elevator. I think it was built in the 90s or something like that.
Cold.
Yeah, it's freaking cold. Yeah. Some crazy engineering. We will watch some videos on this. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, it's kind of big in here. Alright guys, look.
After yesterday's elevator ride, I don't want to go on no more elevators.
Don't you feel weird? You think that you're gonna just jump off like a roller coaster?
Relax. Because we're way up.
Because we came from Disney World.
We're way up.
Oh shit. Next floor. Like, those people took the stairs. Wow. Look at these.
Second floor. It goes way up.
Alright, third floor. Wow.
Oh, alright. It's cute.
Damn, this
Hold on.
is crazy. I can see the car from here. The car's in that corner here.